Steve Zotke at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, but I wanted to give you an update on what's happening at the Milwaukee Mile. A lot of improvements are being made right at this time. Fencing along the backside, turn 3 and 4 is being installed. New wall, new drain tiles in there to help drainage, because don't forget we got Honey Creek that runs underneath there, along with redoing the pit road where the cars pit. That's all been concreted. A lot of neat stuff. Things are moving forward. Looking forward to a full summer of racing activity at the Milwaukee Mile. Father's Day weekend, we got late model racing with the ARCA series, with the great job Track Enterprises does with that, with them. Good, you get to see a lot of your local short track heroes on the big track at the Milwaukee Mile. And then of course the Craftsman Truck Series coming in the weekend before Labor Day, along with the ARCA series. And then of course the doubleheader IndyCars Labor Day weekend for the Humvee Twin 250s. So a lot of stuff. Milwaukee Mile back on track. We're super happy about it. And we'll have more updates as they come.